So the first topic we discuss is about regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical technique used to study the relationship between two or more variables. The technique involves fitting a mathematical equation to a set of data points in order to describe the relationship between the variables and to make prediction about future observation. Regression analysis can be utilized in many different fields including economics, marketing, social science, engineering, environmental science. So first, economics. Regression analysis is used extensively in economics to study the relationship between economic variables such as income and consumption or interest rates and investment. Second one, marketing. Regression analysis can be used in marketing to study the relationship between marketing activities such as advertising or pricing and sales or customer behavior. Third one, social science. Regression analysis can be used in social science to study the relationship between various psychological, sociological, or demographic factors such as age, gender, education, and income. Fourth one, engineering. Regression analysis can be used in engineering to study the relationship between physical variables such as temperature, pressure, or velocity and the performance of mechanical systems. Fifth, environmental science. Regression analysis can be used in environmental science to study the relationship between various environmental factors such as air or water pollution and health outcomes or ecological impacts. In real-life problem can be solved using regression analysis is predicting the sale of new product based on different marketing strategies. The company has historical data on sales and marketing spending across multiple channels such as TV, advertising, social media, marketing, email and campaign, and more. By using regression analysis, the company can build a model that quantifies the relationship between marketing, spending, and sales while controlling for other factors that may affect sales such as seasonality, pricing, or competitors' actions.
How can regression analysis be applied in solving the given problems? Regression analysis can be applied in many different fields to study the relationship between variables and to make predictions. Here are some other examples. Number 1, in healthcare. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between various risk factors and health outcomes, such as the relationship between smoking and lung cancer, or the relationship between blood pressure and heart disease. Second one, in education. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between various educational factors such as class size, teacher experience, and student performance on standardized tests. The third one, in finance. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between different financial variables such as interest rates, stock prices, and economic indicators like GDP and inflation. The fourth one, in sports. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between different sports performance metrics, such as player statistics and team performance. The fifth one, in manufacturing. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between various manufacturing process variables, such as temperature, pressure or speed, and product quality or yield. The sixth one, in agriculture. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between the various agricultural factors such as weather conditions, soil quality, and crop yield. The last one, in social sciences. Regression analysis can be used to study the relationship between the various psychological, sociological, or demographic factors such as age, gender, education, and income.
In conclusion, researchers can use regression to control for variables they're not interested in studying and focus on the relationships they want to understand. When researchers use regression analysis, they need to think carefully about what variables they want to study and how big their sample size is if they don't choose the right type of regression analysis for their research question. Or if their sample size is too small, they might end up with wrong conclusion about what they're studying. So, it's important for researchers to be thoughtful and careful when using regression analysis in their works. So in the takeaways, this slide shows the individual takeaways of each member. So that's all. Thank you.